Hello everyone. Welcome back to Learn English with Evelyn. Today's lesson is Getting to Know You Better. We'll practice longer conversations after meeting someone for the first time. Ready? Let's begin. First, let's talk about greetings and catching up. Our vocabulary words are greet, week, busy, and relaxing. You can ask, how was your week? Your friend might answer, my week was busy, or my week was relaxing. Repeat after me. Greet, week, busy, relaxing. Next, let's discuss daily routines. Our keywords are evening and favorite. You might ask, what do you usually do in the evening? Or, what's your favorite part of the day? Repeat after me. Evening, favorite. Now let's learn vocabulary about food. Our words are popular, country, and dish. You can ask, what's a popular dish in your country? Repeat after me. Popular, country, dish. Let's move on to travel. We have travel, destination, and culture. Ask questions like, what's your favorite travel destination? Or say, I love learning about new cultures. Repeat after me. Travel, destination, culture. Talking about hobbies is fun. Our words here are hobby, alone, and often. For example, what's your hobby? Or, do you usually do it alone or with friends? Or, how often do you do it? Repeat after me. Hobby, alone, often. Now let's practice with an example conversation using today's vocabulary. Listen carefully. How was your week?
It was relaxing. I stayed home and watched movies.
Nice! Do you have a favourite hobby?
Yes, I like painting.
Great job. Let's quickly review today's vocabulary one more time. Greet, week, relaxing, favourite, popular, dish, destination, hobby. Can you make sentences using these words? Thanks for practicing English with Evelyn. Let us know in the comments, what's your favourite food or travel destination? Remember to like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next lesson.